What the F? I hate this place. No, actually I like it. Let's go. I guess. Okay. We've done this for a while. Stupid. Okay, we died. You don't have the volume up. That's an easy badge to get. Okay, and it's being retarded. I get this. Wee. Okay, we get it. Let's say some wee some more. Wee. No, like I mean wee. Like wee. We are the Knights of the Wii who play Wii. That was gay in that movie, but anyway. There. Go. Didn't mean to do it, huh? Ow. Stop hitting myself in the head. "86 seconds left." 86. Fell down. Probably just going to get to that's it. No. Okay. Oh, noob. I know what the meaning is. Everyone does. I guess. Except noobs. Finally find a noob in this game. If you're wondering, I'm not a noob. Okay, I am. Sort of kind of suck at this one. Because we never played it for a long time. Yeah. Or let this go and get up here and end it. Boing. It's trying to jump. 18 seconds left. And you don't have to say it every time. You are going to die. This might take a while. Alright? If you want to see us. Okay, bye.